Good morning to all traders and welcome to another Markets Waves video. Today is May 18th. It is only Tuesday and we'll have again another interesting analysis to do on 5 different assets. Our pick for the day is Euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen, dollar CAD, an FX major day as well, if you may, and also Amazon, which we haven't looked for a while. So starting with Euro dollar, since yesterday we were down here, actually we're expecting another leg up to finish wave 1. That's actually came through quite well. We did also the correction in wave 2. It looks like to me now gonna start moving up impulsively to finally get to wave 3, 4 and then 5. I'm looking at the wave 5, which is 503 by the way, to get us around 123.27, and then that to get us around 123.73 or so. That is where I'm expecting minor wave 3 to end. Before we get there, of course, we need to take into account that we are still moving up when a multi-structure move to the upside. This is going to be probably in the minute wave. So I'm expecting wave 3, this pink one, the sub-minute degree, to get us around 122.50 or so. Okay, now should of course this continue to the upside, because there is different scenarios in play here of how we can really move up there, should we move up there. And for that reason, we really need to pay attention close to the following. Hold on. We need to pay attention to what's really happening over here, because you can see some small interaction over here. So it could be a case where this might be ABC and we might get another leg to the downside, perhaps for a flat pattern. And that flat pattern, of course, can be an extended one, can be a regular flat, or can be also running flat. So we need to really pay attention what's going on here, because to me, this looks like an ABC so far, okay, or somewhat corrective. Might also be a case where we've had 4 in, and that's 1, 2, when I get 3, 4, and 5, and that is going to turn into some sort of ending diagonal, and wave 1 in that case will be down here, which means we'll have to adjust our Fibonacci extension here to get the new levels. But you can see that to the upside, these clusters so far, 122.50, 123.75 or so, they are behaving pretty strongly for the current structures. Now on GBPUSD, we talked about that upside move as well last week. I'm still looking at this, you know, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here, and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I still expect another leg to the upside around 142 to 142, and from there I'll be looking for prices to start reversing. As you well know, I've been quite on the bearish side for GBPUSD because I'm still expecting another leg down, okay? But that's also the same scenario with oil. If you remember yesterday's analysis on oil is looking pretty similar. So it could in both cases be that, you know, there won't be another leg to the downside and we're going to start moving higher, since also dollar is weakening. But for the moment being, for the current time, 140.42 is my level, okay? If we break above that, most likely we're going to get an invalidation above the previous high at 142.43, okay? Unless, if of course this turns in some sort of like A, B and C pattern, like a flat, and then again it can be expanding, running, or just a casual one. Casual one would even be the case, you know, if we finish at around 142 anyway, to be fair. So that would be, you know, again leading to a move to the downside. We do get signal on the MACD and the RSI, which is a little bit encouraging. Should we take into account that another leg up would not really ruin this signal, at least on the MACD. Perhaps it would ruin the one on the RSI. Don't forget also on the 1 hour time frame. So you know, we're looking at the short term here. As for dollar yen, I was expecting another leg up to the 78 what is it, 76.4, 78.6 extension over here, but it looks like from up here this leg didn't come in and we started moving lower. We still got a 5-way move up here, so we're covered on that end, and that looks like a leading diagonal to me And this new wave, it looks like a multi-structure to the downside, which internally will have just finished probably wave 2, and then we're going to get 3, 4, and 5 for 3, then 4 and 5 for Y. And this is what I will be looking for wave 4 to finally finish. As you remember, I'm still expecting another leg up because this is how these structures are making sense. For example, internally we would have 5 waves up in 3. So this is what I'm looking for dollar yen, but also note that because we don't get any signals for the MACD and the RSI, it would be a fairly probable case that, you know, we might turn a little bit more on sideways over here. Without that meaning this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, because these 2 and these 4 they don't really make sense being in the same structure, if that makes sense to you, because obviously wave B is like sharp and didn't last long, whereas this is going for a dip, but it lasts way longer than what we expect to see a similar structure of here. It could be a case where that is done, but then I would be really pay attention to what's happening around here in this zone, the 109, 1080, 108.95, just a few pips. Okay, so in case we turn up, then it could be possible that this is 1, 2, 3, and 4, but I just don't like wave 2 and wave 4 over here. Okay, that's for that one as well. And then dollar CAD, we talked about last week. I did tell you that we can expect a move up to the 50 and then a continuation down, and I did tell you that I don't think this is the last leg to the downside, because we missed that level, plus we're looking at an ending diagonal here, so I'm expecting more downside. And now that is the case. So we've got wave 1, wave 2 to me, and it looks like we're going to go for wave 3, then 4, and then 5. That's going to be 5 of 5 of 3, then up, and then a continuation to the downside. So we're looking at wave 3 at the bottom channel, okay, which is going to get us probably below 119. But of course, before we get there, we need to pay attention to what happens around this zone over here, the 120 zone, and whether we are going to finally break it, because we need an impulsive breakdown here to perhaps get us past the 120 fairly easily. We might see some bounce over here initially, but then I would expect that to be a wave 4, and from there to continue all the way down. In case we do see some sort of, you know, rejection down here, it means that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 more likely, and that's going to be wave 5 up here. So we could get a correction that is going to be probably deeper than this, and then continue lower down for wave 3. Okay. But the truth is that, sorry, we wouldn't be able to continue down for wave 3, because that would be moving up here, which I don't really think it has very high probabilities, okay? Because we're looking at an ending diagonal and in wave 3. If we were in wave 5 of this ending diagonal, I would perhaps say, okay, that's fine, because we could do something like this, you know? But since this is wave 3, it's like we are doing that. So it gives us a short wave 3 over here, okay? And finally, Amazon has a very interesting pattern. First of all, I'm pretty confident that we finished correction cycle in wave, the cycle in this correction wave down here, and it looks like an A, B, and a C. That is like a flat, okay? It looks like a regular flat, to be fair. And since then, we've moved up. Someone could say impulsively, but someone else could say not impulsively, because that could be seen as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and that's 1, 2, 3, and then it could continue higher. Or, as I have actually labeled here, this is 1 and 2, because this is ABC, and that's another ABC for 3, and then another ABC, and we're going to get another ABC that's going to be an ending diagonal that is going to take us up to at least the 37.42. Why? Because this is the Fibonacci extension of cycle waves, hold on, we are, well, cycle wave 3 and 4, because we're looking at the primary from the beginning of 1 up to 4, okay? 37.42, in case we break this, we'll go to 42.74. So in case this is an ending diagonal, most likely we're going to finish them. In case this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, impulse, most likely we're going to go to 42.74 or anywhere between, okay? Now for this ending diagonal pattern, I also have another one in mind that can get us to the higher level of 42.74. That is as if this is ABC. That's ABC. Then we're going to get ABC for 3, ABC for 4, ABC for 5. Okay, and we're going to have some sort of different structure as well, because currently we're looking at an open-ending diagonal because wave 2 and 4 is here. Now, where can this 5 get us up to if we take into consideration that this is the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 4? Most likely is going to be the A, the B, and the C. It can get us to this channel. The moment we get a rejection here and we'll have the new high, you know, we can start reversing lower, which means that it could be a case where we're not even going to get to the 38.2 Fibonacci extension. We're just going to get a fresh high, since, you know, we are only expecting one ABC of this fifth wave of this ending diagonal. Okay, so guys, this will be all for the day. In case you have any questions, of course, don't hesitate to ask. And if you have any alternatives announcement, don't hesitate to leave your comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll speak again tomorrow.